What's going on, everybody? This is AR from AR Tactical, back today with another video. In this video, we are going to bring out the First Strike XP. Now, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of guys in the community, they're just not doing builds. They're not turning these into carbines. They're not really, like the first FSC got so much attention, so much clout. They're still building them till this day. The XP's been kind of casted out, like the black sheep of the family. Well, here at AR Tactical, we're going to bring her out of retirement. We're going to bring her to the forefront. And how we did so is we created a carbine rail kit so that you can attach handguards and turn your XP pistol into a carbine build. This one's pretty long. I have a 12-inch handguard on it. I have a 16-inch threaded barrel, little tip sticking out there. And I have the ARTactical Direct ASA on the back of it. So the carbine rail kit consists of the handguard adapter. You're going to get your top rail, and you'll get some retention screws to lock that all into place. We also have a couple of compensators, different ones. We got ones here with the pick rails on the side, but we're over here working at AR Tactical, guys. We are working. Our FSC mags are in production as we speak, so we'll be putting all of this stuff on the website pretty soon. I think I have 1,000 PSI tank here. I want to get this thing loaded up with some 10-gram ARTactical JOULES and just see, what kind of numbers we can get with this, guys. Nobody's really doing it, so I said, shoot, let me go ahead and bring this thing out. So let's just see what we can get. Let's see if I can get this mag locked in. Okay, wrong way. These mags are very, very finicky. Probably need to upgrade a spring on here, but let's throw some rounds in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, these are our 10 grams. So we're throwing the 10 grammers in here out the gate. All right, let's lock her in. Release the follower. So that's done. Let's gas her. You hear that spring tension? I don't know if I switched out the spring or not, but hopefully I did, because it's going to need it. I got 2,000 PSI in here, so let's just get a couple of numbers right quick, guys. Good God almighty, 440. 440 again. Let's clear it just so we can see it again, guys. 444. 442. 454. She's dialing in, guys. 468. Oh, wow. And that's going to be it for right now. All right, let's see. Oh man, that thing is smoking. So guys, that's just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that these things are very capable. So don't sleep on these. We have the XPs on our website. We have the FD tan and black. We have the silver, and we also have the blacks in stock. So y'all come on and see us at AR Tactical. We're constantly innovating, constantly bringing the pressure, constantly bringing the heat. Salute yourself, AR Army. All right, guys. Well, I'm back. We just came in from shooting the First Strike XP. So the numbers are in. We had some awesome numbers. Like I said, guys, these things are very capable. So I went on over to ARTactical.online. I checked in and went to the Joule calculator, guys. If you didn't know, you can always go to ARTactical.online and check your numbers. So we got it dialed in, the 10-gram 684 bore. The first shot was 440. That's 89 joules. And it felt like it, too. Very, very good numbers from a paintball marker. Second shot, 440. That's the repeated, 89 joules. The third shot was 444. Dialed it up to 91 joules. Shot number 4 was 442, 90 joules. Shot 5 was 454. That was 95 joules. and that thing did dial in because shot 6 shot up to 468. That's 101 joules, guys. So I'm very, very, very happy with those numbers. I'm very happy with the power. Like I said, the FSC is always and will always be a great platform to build off of. And they're also so fun. I mean, I just threw this together in a few minutes just because I wanted to. Nobody else was really doing it. Yeah, the thing is long but I was just playing around with this thing. YouTube, this is not a firearm. This is an air-powered launcher, aka this is a paintball marker, guys. So yeah, I just threw some parts that I had laying around the house together, and I mean, this would be a great home defense weapon. A little bit too big. Like I was thinking about making this into sort of like a marksman type of sniper type build, but I know it looks a little weird, but I just threw it together just for the video purposes. And I'll probably make something a lot more compact, a lot shorter, but I just wanted to let you guys know that the possibilities are there. Well, I'm not going to drag this video out. I have a couple other things that I need to get started, but like I said, this is your handguard adapter. You're going to get a top rail with it. It locks in where your sights go, and right here in the front, you're going to have some 2 retention inlets that go right into the sights. You're locked in, throw all your stuff on it, as well as the new compensators will have. You know, I'll probably put a fiber optic sight up there, you know, True Glow, something like that for you. One has the pick rails, the other one doesn't, but these are awesome, great quality. You can find these on the site. I'll probably do a set where you get all 3, and then I'll probably just do the rail kit by itself. Our mags are almost done. That's what's printing right now. So we're gonna do a couple of more tests. I like to be thorough with it, and then we'll get these out to y'all guys. That's a 16 gram, 12 gram mag, 8 rounds in it for your FSCs. Well, I'm out of here, guys. Salute yourself, AR Army.